Okay, welcome everybody to our machining video for our personalized custom coasters. We're going to go through 3 tool changes in this. We're going to have the first one, which is the ball bit. The ball tipped 1/4 inch bit is installed right now. Then we will go to a 1/4 inch 60-degree V-bit, and then the final bit will be a 1/4 inch straight bit. So let's get on with the program and let's get her going. The first thing we got to do is set the Z height on this bit. So we put our plate in, go to plate, say OK, touch it to make sure that we have good contact, say OK, it'll go down, it'll set our Z height, and now we're ready to go onto the program and run the program. The first program we're going to run is the Pocket program. So we're going to go to USB, go to our coast tap number 1, which is our Pocket, and 16 by 6 by 3/8. That all looks okay, and we're using a 1/4 inch ball nose. Go to next, start our dust collection, and turn on or start the router. Okay, we're done with that Pocket. As you can see, they came out pretty decently on this piece of mahogany. The next thing that we're going to do now is a V-carve bit. It's a 1/4 inch 60-degree V-carve bit. We'll load her up and set the Z height and then run the next program. So here we go. I'm going to change this bit out. Go to plate, say OK, bring it up and touch it to get a red screen to say we got complete connection. Say OK, let it run. Our Z height should be set. Now we're ready to load our program and then start the dust collector up and run our program. Okay, let's go ahead and set our Z height. Put our plate in, connect our magnet. Let's bring it down a little bit so it doesn't have to go so far. And hit plate, say OK, touch the plate, get the red screen. Say OK, it comes down, touches the plate. We got our Z height set. We're now ready to load our program and go ahead and cut our we'll be ready to cut our profile on this to cut them out. Turn on the dust collector and load our program. Okay, now we're ready to run our profile cut. Load the USB file, come up here and find our profile cut. Everything looks good here. It's an end mill, 1/4 inch. Say next, and we're ready to start.